Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Travelocity password. To reset a Travelocity password, these are the steps that you need to take. First, visit the Travelocity website. How do you do that? Open your browser and go to www.travelocity.com. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to either sign up or to sign in. Whichever one you choose, once you log in using your correct account credentials, is going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Travelocity. So now they're in this homepage. The next thing you're going to do is to click on your profile name, which is in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, it takes you to this drop down menu. So from this drop down menu, the next thing you're going to select is, okay. So the next thing you select is sign out. Once you select sign out, all right, okay, so if you're new to the website, before we take this process, if you're new to the website and let's say you forgot your password and you cannot log in again, or you just could not have access to your account again, and you get into the website, once you click on the profile name, which is at the top right corner, you're going to see an option that says sign in. So click on sign in, and that's going to walk you right into the login page. So from the login page, just below the password field, you'll see a link labeled forgot password with question mark. Click on the link to initiate the password reset process. All right, so a pop-up on a new page will appear asking for your registered email address. Enter the email address associated with your Travelocity account. And after submitting your email address, Travelocity will send the password reset link into your inbox. Open your email and locate the password reset email from the Travelocity. And if you don't see it, just go ahead and check in your spam or junk folder. Open the email, click on the reset password button or the link provided, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Now, the next step is to head over here again and click on this, then click on My Account. Once you click on My Account, it's going to take you to the My Account window. So from here, head over to the My Account info category where you have email and password, payment method, email preferences, my deal alerts, and trips for me, and you have connected accounts. Now click on email and password. So over here we have password. Enter your current password, enter your new password, and retype your new password. So enter your current password here and then your new password, and retype your new password and click on save. But if you cannot remember your current password, then follow through the previous step of heading over to the login page and clicking on forgot password so you can reset your password. So these are just pretty much the steps that you can take to reset your password on Travelocity. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.